When you join My Car Club and you qualify, you can pick your choice of Mercedes-Benz, Lincoln Continental, Cadillacs, or BMWs. The choice is yours. When you qualify for the car of your dreams, you pick the car of your choice. All you have to do is put gas in it. Check out brand new Mercedes-Benz. As a member, drive one of these luxury cars. Or maybe you prefer a Cadillac. My Car Club has a variety of luxury cars to choose from. Our car club has got you covered. You also earn a monthly income while driving the car of your dreams. Come join us. And of course, we have BMWs too. Your dream car awaits as a member of My Car Club.